Hi, Gururaj.
Hi, ma'am.
Myself Savitri from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take a feedback video from your side. So, Gururaj, can you introduce yourself?
Specialized in civil engineering.
Gururaj, how you got to know about CMTI?
My two brothers are joined here only for interior design course only.
In CMTI, which course you have taken?
IDM, interior design.
Okay. So, in that course, what and all topics you have learned?
I have learned about the materials, finishes, and softwares like SketchUp, V-Ray, AutoCAD, and Revit. And standards of interiors.
What are the softwares you have learned?
SketchUp, V-Ray, AutoCAD, and Revit.
So, have you visited various site and showroom visit, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I have visited Homeland, True, Material Hub, Pepper Fry.
Okay. In showroom and site visit, what and all topic you have learned?
About the materials they are used and finishes like acrylic, glossy finish.
Gururaj, have you used our CMT app?
Yes, ma'am. It's very used.
How it was useful?
The cut list video is there and softwares videos also there.
Okay, Gururaj, you have taken offline classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How was the coordinator supports and trainer supports towards you?
The trainers and coordinates are good, ma'am. They are supportive.
Okay, for which role you have selected?
Project manager, ma'am, in a glamour company.
How was the interview?
It was a good about
Okay. How many rounds are there?
only one round.
Okay. So finally, what you want to tell about CMTI? Who your seniors and juniors who want to join the CMTI?
Yes, Megan, he is my brother, and Jairam, he is also my brother. They have already taken interior design course, and they just suggest me to take interior design course here only.
Okay. So finally, what you want to tell CMTI?
It was a great experience here. It was a good.
Okay, Gururaj. Once again, congratulations for your feedback. So have a great future.
Thank you.